So let's talk about ZBCN. Its full name is Zebec Network, and I cover this coin pretty often, even though no one clicks on that fucking subscribe button. But anyway, it's sitting at 0032 right now. And we have talked about this thing over and over again as why and which area matters and how you can expect it to start getting bullish. Well, the case scenario is simple. I told you that it has a support at 3377. I'll show it to you actually just a second. I'll show you the previous chart later on. Right now I'll just show you the area of 377. So this is our bullish support area. I told you can use this 377 or you can use this 004. This is a psychological area. Personally, I like this, but as per TA, this is an area that you can take an interest in as well. If you don't see ZBCN breaking above this area, I'd pretty much assume ZBCN will break below this trend line again. It used to be bearish. It used to be below it. Then it gave a breakout. I think it will fail and it will go down again. And today we did see, it went down towards the area of 003 in full. I'll show it to you. It actually all the way down towards 0028. If you look at it, it went to 0028. This is your area of drop. I think that ZBCN is not able to give us any kind of bullish reversals, bullish uptrends as much as I would like this coin to do it, but I think that it is not able to capture the area that is important. 004, like I said, that is a crucial important area for ZBCN. Even last time when we talked about it. Now let's talk about the last time, and then you can go and watch that video. Last time was when we talked about ZBCN. It was on Wednesday, 16th of July. Today is 19th, so 3 days ago. We talked about ZBCN, we talked about how it is struggling, and we still had this 00377 as the area of importance. And like I said, you can, if it is not capturing this area, or you use the psychological area of 004, you should assume it is going to continue with the downward journey. We saw today it going towards 0028, which means it did hit the 003, then it will go towards 002, then 001. All that stuff will happen if it is not able to capture the area of 004. If it is not capturing that, there is no bullish momentum, there is no confirmation of bullishness. The only thing that it confirms is that ZBCN is done and there is no action left in it. And right now, if you look at the market, I think the bullishness of the market is kind of disappearing itself. Volume is disappearing because it's weekend. Market is getting into a tricky place. Bitcoin has not started crashing. But imagine if Bitcoin starts crashing, ZBCN is going to go further down. And then, of course, you will blame Bitcoin for it, but you need to understand when the market was green, ZBCN didn't turn green. So it is kind of ZBCN's fault. But anyway, if market turns red, prepare for 001. I wouldn't assume it would stop at 002, 003. It will directly go towards 001. But if somehow market goes green again and some magic happens to ZBCN and it goes above 004 and breaks it, then I would say that, okay, now ZBCN is turning bullish. Now we are going for 007 and even 1 cent. It will lose a zero. I'll agree to all that. But if it is not capturing 004, I think it will do a lot of drama, but it will continue with the downward trend. And that's everything you need to know. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.